Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enter download mode on this device. So firstly we'll have to hold down power key, just hold it until device turns off completely, and when the screen goes dark quickly release it and hold down volume down, like this. So in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option reboot to download, and after that device will be restarted in the download mode. So yeah, basically that's how it looks like. So here in this mode you can use volume down to navigate and volume up too. You have such actions like system info, show barcode, reboot to bootloader, reboot to download, and reboot, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.